New tonight, the state is taking immediate action at a child care center in Savage where an infant died. Thank you for joining us this evening at 5. I'm Leah McLean. Paul Folger is off this evening. So police are still investigating, and authorities are telling other parents to be on the lookout for symptoms in their own kids. We have team coverage on this story that we first broke this morning. Investigative reporter Ryan Raish looking into the daycare's license and history. But let's start with Eric Shalou live right now in Savage. Eric?
Yeah, Leah, Rocking Horse Ranch Child Care Center behind me closed today as this investigation continues. Earlier today, I talked to a mom whose son goes here, and she told me she did so much research when trying to find a center for her son. She heard many good things. Now she's left wondering, she told me, what played out here. Minnesota Department of Human Services staff arrived at Rocking Horse Ranch Child Care Tuesday afternoon.
We don't have any comment at this time.
The high priority medical at Rocking Horse Ranch, 14859 Louisiana Avenue South, for a 10-month-old baby that's not conscious and not breathing.
Scanner traffic captured emergency crews being sent here Monday morning. Savage police posted on social media Tuesday that detectives are working with the Minnesota BCA, investigating the death of an infant following a medical incident. Look at this line. Further down on the post, it says important safety notice. As a precautionary measure, families with children who attend this child care facility should closely monitor their children and seek immediate medical attention if they exhibit altered mental status, unusual behavioral changes, or other concerning symptoms.
Honestly, right now, I'm just completely frazzled.
Caitlin Rodler says the child care center called her Monday about 10 a.m. to come get her son.
They just said there's an incident with another kid. We're asking all parents to come pick them up.
Later in the day, she got another call that raised concerns.
The city of Savage called last night and basically said, there's something going on with a 10-month-old. If your kids exhibit any of these symptoms, take them to urgent care.
When you heard that, what was going through your mind then?
And I'm just Googling these symptoms.
As she tries to figure out what exactly to be on the lookout for in her own child, while also thinking about the infant who died. Hi, this is Eric Shalou from Channel 5. We made attempts to connect with the daycare to try and learn more. I know you've got a lot on your mind. I didn't know if you wanted to comment at all. Later in the day, folks with keys to the building met with state officials, but didn't stop to talk. Savage police say they are trying to determine the infant's cause of death. Savage police were not doing any interviews, they told us, because of this ongoing and active investigation. Keep checking in with those investigators and update you with any new information. That's the latest here in Savage tonight. I'm Eric Shalou, 5 Eyewitness News.
All right, we know you're tracking it, Eric. Thank you. But there are still so many unanswered questions. The state's really not taking any chances. We want to bring in investigative reporter Ryan Raish now. Ryan, you've been digging into the history of this facility and the licenses center holds.
Yeah, Lee, and what I'm holding right now is this temporary immediate suspension. The State Department of Children, Youth and Families stepping in today, yanking the daycare license at Rocking Horse Ranch, saying the kids served are at an imminent risk of harm. According to the order posted today, the state was notified of 2 cases of emergency services needed for babies showing similar and significant signs of breathing problems. The order says the first case happened on Friday, September 19th, and the second case happened just yesterday. As Eric mentioned, one of the 2 babies died on Monday. Both cases are under investigation, but the state says it cannot ensure the health and safety of the children served at the program at this time. Now, state licensing data shows inspectors visited the daycare in June. The facility was cited for a handful of violations like hazardous objects in reach of kids, unsafe carpeting, and inadequate training. The records show no action was taken against the facility at the time, and the daycare corrected those issues. Leah.
All right, Ryan Raish reporting, and 5 Eyewitness News will continue to track this investigation. We'll bring you the details as soon as we learn more in the KSTP app and right here on air.